The Scotiabank Photography Award, now in its 12th year, is Canada's largest annual peer-nominated, peer-reviewed acknowledgement of excellence in contemporary photography. In 2010, Scotiabank co-founded the award with photographer Edward Bertinsky in order to recognize and establish mid to late career artists, celebrate the outstanding contribution they have made to the arts, and raise international and national awareness of the strength of photography in Canada. With roots in experimental approaches to documentary film and installation, 2021 Scotiabank Photography Award winner Deanna Bowen has dedicated her career to positioning her family history within a broader national narrative of omission and occlusion. Whether through strategies of reenactment or dense constellations of archival material, Bowen's work traces her familial history within a broader narrative of Black survival in Canada and the United States. Originally produced by the Kitchener-Waterloo Art Gallery, Black Jones in the Hive unfolds in a series of visual chapters to reveal the strategic erasures which have enabled Canadian canons, such as the Group of Seven, to exist without question or complication. Combing historical texts, petitions, and archives ranging from the local to international, Bowen weaves together narrative threads of migration, power networks, and hierarchies of remembrance. The exhibition draws its title from a racist characterization of William Robinson, a Black journeyman, as written by a city official in Berlin, now Kitchener, Ontario, discovered by the artist in the records of the Waterloo County House of Industry and Refuge. This sentiment echoes the centuries-long project of devaluing Black labor and the promise of autonomy. At the dawn of the 20th century, settlement, as both an encampment and a form of resolve, took on different implications for Black, Indigenous, and European communities living in Ontario. With Black Drones in the Hive, Bowen examines how dispossession and renaming, acts that are inscribed on both the land and public record, are part of power's syntax. In a moment when overdue conversations addressing the removal of monuments to men with vile politics, Bowen's exhibition illuminates the roots of a reckoning.